Tell you what, one thing they maintain is they have fast delivery, speedy deliveries. They're claimed there when they deliver those farm supplies. And we're going to see just how speedy he is. Here he comes, Lee Robinson. Come on down to see us, Lee. In your wildest days, when you were a kid growing up, did you ever think you'd see semis pulled and eliminated in Maribel, Wisconsin? That's probably better than any Steve Davis stories we could find. No, I've got your couple out there. We need your Steve Davis stories now. I guess you're going to cut it for the horses. Well,
that's awesome.
It is kind of cool. That's what Gordy said. They're going to do it for the other horses tomorrow too.
So one thing about the horse pull, is that you are so wanting them to pull the full distance because you see the muscles of these horses.
Did you hear when they were talking a video about what they have spots? About the power and yeah, there's a lot of power.
Really,
when he drives it.
Yeah. Vince Lombardi over here, for guys' sakes. What the hell? Let's grab it. Grab. Nobody said.
Hit somebody.
We got another. What we got here?
Yeah, they're putting more weight in.
We're going to get some more weight. Put on that boat. Otherwise, they're going down to that ready to go to put a little more weight in it. This is Lee now with a different truck. Or a tractor. Tractor trailer. One of the tractors, 359 Peterbilt, built in 1980. I would say farm supplies.
You wanted the smoke. You wanted the noise.
Got greedy.
50%
That's funny.
still pretty good.
Too bad he didn't make it past that 100 foot. That first one.
We'll back it up. We'll do it again.
We wouldn't halfway to Xander rolling for guys. Hey, you ask for the beverage wagon, who loves you? Uncle Bill Jarts right here. Just remember Uncle Bill.
Uncle Bill Jarts.
I can't even see that thing. It's
I know. Look at that deal. That's the Cadillac right there.
covert operation.
Komodo.
Awesome.
Holy smokes. Like an air conditioning. You guys holding up all right over here, looking into the sun. Guys over there the other side of the track having some easy. Probably takes me back into that eliminator, bring that down all the way. Pat's got that maybe all rigged up. 59.
I'm going to shoot a couple rounds in this class.
1980.
I don't know.
Exactly. I never said nothing.
You never drove this truck, did you? Vinny?